Yeah guys, short video here about this super impressive 600 watts charging block. Model type is M12 and it comes with a lot of protection built in, but we are going to test that. Yes, super powerful. Could be an awesome thing if you have a lot of phones, tablets or even laptops to charge. Of course, with 600 watts it has quite some weight. It's not super lightweight. So for traveling alone or as a couple, maybe a little bit overkill, but traveling with a large family, why not? So you'll definitely have plenty of power, and so this is how it looks. Definitely a real nice block, solid build. And so here you can see the 12 outlets. So we have 8 times USB-C and 4 times USB-A. I think an absolute perfect combination. By the way, we can use all the 12 outlets at the same time. Of course, there's no display built in, but more and more devices show how fast the charge is anyway. And so we can plug it here easily in the back with this standard plug. What I also like is that we have these different colors. So the top here means 100 watts. Maximum power here we have 2 times 65 watts with blue. Then we have 4 times 30 watts with black. And then we have 4 times 20 watts with orange USB-A. So it's very easy to remember. In the back we can see the different type of power which we can use, especially regarding the voltage. And so when we power it on, I think there's no LED, nothing, pretty discreet. Also a nice thing when you're using this in your bedroom or so, doesn't disturb your sleep. And so I connect it here to USB-C, one of the 100 watts outlets. And I guess it's also the outlet which has most compatibilities with most of the devices. And you can see we have green pretty much all across the board, except from the SuperVOOC, which is a very rare thing. Other than that, we get confirmation about quick charge PD up to 100 watts. And at least 12 volts, but let's see, we can also get 20 volts. According to the description, we have up to 20 volts here on top, which is very important for laptop charging. A lot of laptops charge only with 20 volts, so we have definitely confirmation here. And for these 6 ports, we have a maximum of 12 volts. Yeah, we definitely have 12 volts. Can we get higher voltage? Yeah, looks like we get even 15 here and another 20. But it looks like from the 3rd row down, everything is 5 volts. But we have definitely 4 outlets with 20 volts. That's pretty impressive. But let's see how much we get in real life, and not only regarding the protocol. And so we are definitely at 20 volts. And so I come a little bit closer, you can see we are still at 20 volts, 4 amps, 80 watts. Let's see if we can increase that a little bit. We are already above 100 watts, 102, and still going strong. And now we had a cutoff at around 103 watts. And now very important to see if the power comes back when we reduce the consumption. So we don't have to click reset, don't have to unplug, replug. It has a fully automated protection function. And so we can start here again. 80 watts, 90 watts, 95, 100 watts. You can see absolutely nothing damaged. So it has protected itself nicely from overcurrent. And so I'm charging here this Lenovo laptop, and we can see it's charging with 95 watts, super powerful. Of course, I don't have 11 phones which I can charge beside my laptop, but at least 5 phones which I've already plugged in. Power is off, and so I'm switching on the power here in the back. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, we have 1 phone, 2, 3, 4 and 5 all at the same time charging, while we are still charging the laptop. Yeah, absolutely amazing, super impressive. And when I touch here, I can barely feel any heat. So definitely confirms that we do not only have very powerful, but also very efficient power unit. I like also the simplified design without an external transformer. Yeah, I definitely like it. Would have been nice to have maybe a small LCD to show the total power consumption or so. Also would have been nice to have some soft rubber feet here for a little bit of ventilation down here or on the side, but I think I can buy some and add them. Other than that, definitely no complaints. And I've just checked on Amazon, at least at the moment, there's a 40% coupon, which brings down the price to only $59, so definitely worth to buy, at least at this price. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this power unit, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.